Hey everybody, it's Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to review a super handy mobility scooter known as model GUT161. I do want to give you the heads up that the audio is a little noisy. We were at a trade show, so bear with us. Now, before we dive right into the in-depth review, I do want to throw the specifications on the screen just for a moment so that you can get familiar with them. The most impressive thing about this scooter is the fact that it can hold up to 350 pounds while only weighing 64 pounds. It's a foldable, lightweight scooter with a powerful 48-volt lithium battery. It has full suspension and a super smooth ride that can handle various terrain types. Without further ado, let's dive right into things. What's up everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to talk about the all-terrain super handy mobility scooter. And before we get started, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want a copy, it's free. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. It has discount codes in it and our latest products. So again, this is the all-terrain by Super Handy. It's model number GUT161. What makes it special is it has full suspension, big off-road tires, and it folds, so it's super convenient if you want to travel with it. It has TSA-friendly batteries. Now, Super Handy is known for being a tool company. Now, they got into the mobility space, and they're making some pretty awesome products here. Check out this digital display. You've got drive mode 1, drive mode 2, reverse, which you can toggle between. Here's the power button, and your thumb throttle. So it is a thumb pad throttle system. Right now it's in reverse, goes backwards, switch to D1, goes forward. Now it has a weight capacity of 350 pounds and the weight without the battery is about 64 pounds. You do have a nice loud horn and a light kit, which is nice to illuminate the path with you or in front of you at nighttime. Comes with a front basket. It does have brakes, guys, so you do have to use your hands to brake, and there's a lock there in case you want to park on an incline. Okay, the basket comes off pretty easily. The whole unit pretty much folds down. I'm going to show you how that's done. Check out that suspension too, guys. That suspension's really nice. So to fold the unit, the first thing you really want to do is power down the unit for safety. So I'm going to power it down first. And then we've got 2 clamps that you want to loosen up. One on the right, one on the left. And then you can remove the seat. Just pick straight up. By the way, the seat is height adjustable. You've got 2 height adjustment holes on the posts. Just take this C-style clamp out and you can choose to set the resting point on each of these, either higher or lower. So you can adjust the height slightly. Let's talk about what we're seeing back here. We've got disc brakes in the rear. Here's where your battery goes. What's nice about these scooters is they come with 2 batteries, each rated at about 6-mile range, and they're basically drill batteries. So check this out, I'm going to take the battery out real quick. That's a drill battery, okay? I know you're familiar with that look. Because again, Super Handy is a tool company that decided to start making mobility products. It comes with an underseat storage compartment for free, right here. And you've got the front storage compartment for free as well. So you've got plenty of room to put stuff in. But what's nice is on the seat, the spare battery has its own little holster. All right, so now that we've taken the seat off, right, let's continue forward with the folding process. So there's a little C-clamp here, a pin with a C-clamp. You're just going to unhinge this clip and basically slide this pin out. Once this pin is out, you can see it's starting to collapse on itself, right? So when it's here, it locks in. You can pick up from the front, roll it around, and it's going to take a really compact shape. Again, 64 pounds without the battery. So if you want to fold it, unfold it, there's a lever right here. You pull up on it and then lift up the handlebar. It's going to click back into place. And then once you're all the way up, you do have to actually put that clamp back in here, or the post pin, securement pin rather. Slide it all the way through, lock it back in, and by the way, you do have a knob here to loosen up, so if you want to adjust the tilting angle of the handlebar assembly, you can do that too. Tighten it back up when you have it where you want it. To put the seat back on, you just line up the posts with the sleeves. Make sure to secure them into place for safety, and you're good to start going again. Now this model can handle inclines pretty well. It handles going off-road really well. You can go traveling with it. You can go to the grocery store with it. All in all, I think it's a solid model, and we are going to make more videos of it soon, so make sure you subscribe so you can check those videos out as we start to release them. We're at the MedTrade Medical Trade Show in Dallas, Texas. We got to take a look at this new model, so stay tuned, folks. And don't forget, by subscribing, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway. We give away a free mobility scooter once a month. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. This is the Super Handy All-Terrain. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.